Essential tools for auto air conditioning system repair. In this informative 1-minute video, discover the must-have tools for repairing your auto air conditioning system. Our expert guides you through the essential equipment needed to diagnose and fix common issues in your vehicle's AC system. Learn about the Fluorescent Leak Detection Tool, a precise and reliable instrument that identifies even the tiniest refrigerant leaks. We'll also introduce you to R134a Refrigerant Gas, the lifeblood of your AC system, and explain how to use it correctly for optimal cooling.